Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your document in Google Docs and getting to the exact text you want counted. If you need the whole file, press Ctrl+O or CMD+O on Mac. If you only need a section, click and drag to highlight it. Once done, make sure the selection is correct because the count will reflect only that selection. This first step saves time and prevents errors later, and it lets you decide whether you want a partial or full word report before invoking the tool. Next, open the word count panel by choosing Tools then Word Count, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C, CMD+Shift+C on Mac to move faster. The dialog shows pages, words, and character counts both with and without spaces. This explains how Google counts differently than other apps. If you want continuous feedback, toggle Display Word Count while typing so a small counter appears in the bottom left. Make sure you understand which metric you need for your requirement. Publishers often request characters or words specifically. To finish, either keep the live counter visible or close the dialog after noting the numbers. The live counter updates as you edit. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and choose Word Count to access the same metrics. If the count looks wrong, reselect your text and reopen the tool because selections change the result. And if numbers still seem off, reload the document to clear temporary issues. This resolves most glitches and ensures the word count reflects the current content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.